Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you how to adjust the position of the steering wheel based on your arm length, seat position and your personal preference. So pretty much you can adjust the height and you can adjust the depthness of the steering wheel. This video should apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now before I show you this, I just want to add, you want to adjust the steering wheel while the vehicle is parked and ideally turned off, because the steering wheel will become quite loose. So on the left side under the steering wheel, so right here, you will see a black lever. You want to pull it down all the way and that will loosen up and unlock the steering wheel. And now you can move it up or down. You see how much it goes, and you can also pull it out or in. I'll try to record from this position. So you see, I can pull it out or I can push in. So that way I can find the perfect spot for myself. Once you're done and happy with the position of the steering wheel, you want to lock it back in place by pushing this all the way up. And before driving, just make sure that the steering wheel is nice and tight and safe. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.